So yes, y'all, this is a 26-inch 10 by 6 unit. And this is what the part is looking like. It looks really, really good. It doesn't say on the website that this is pre-plucked or pre-bleached. The knots on this unit actually don't look bad. It looks like this wig might have already been pre-bleached. It could be bleached a little bit more in my opinion. And then it also looks like pre-plucked to me too. But then again, it can be plucked a little bit more. But like at a first glance, this is not bad at all. For this to be straight out the box, I mean, it's giving like pre-plucked and pre-bleached. 10 inches wide and 6 inches deep, and that's definitely giving 6 inches. I'm loving that. Like, this is gonna be so fun to install. 26 inches like I mentioned. I'm so excited. This is so nice, and it feels very heavy and full and thick. And yeah, y'all, this is about to be really freaking cute. Like, I just know this is gonna eat down. Like, this is so fire. And it looks like they like already hot combed it and parted it and flattened it out for you. Like, it's already very like out the box. That is very, very impressive. Okay. So I just read the description again, and this is a wear and go wig. So yes, I guess this is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which is why it does look like it already is kind of, because this is a wear and go wig, hence the wear and go banded hair. And this is a glueless wig, ASHIMARY Glueless. So this install should be very, very fast, very quick and easy. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for the install. BRB, don't go nowhere. All right, y'all, so let's get into this install. I'm just gonna snatch this wig right off because my wigs literally be glueless, y'all. With this next unit, it's kind of just gonna be the same thing. I'm just gonna throw on this unit. Like I told y'all, this wig is pre-plucked, pre-cut, and pre-bleached. So yeah, let's just throw this on and see what it's giving, just like straight out the box. Again, this is straight out the box. Only thing I did was add makeup, so do keep that in mind. Okay, and off of first look, straight out the box, let me comb it first and see if I like it. This is not bad. The hair is really straight, really silky. But I do want to flatten out the top a little bit more here where it's kind of like, so yeah, I'm gonna do that now. This hair is so silky smooth, y'all. Like, can y'all just look at it and tell? It's so nice. And getting my middle part super defined. So once I'm done flattening the top of my wig, I'm going in with my Bleached flat iron. So once I'm done flat ironing the whole head, I just trim the ends and make the ends a little blunt, because personally that's how I like my wigs to look. I like my ends to be blunt, so I'm just doing that here and trimming off a very, very minimal amount. Alright y'all, so now I don't know if I want to add baby hairs or not, or if I just kind of want to leave it like this sleek look. I am going to take some of this holding spray and kind of just clean it up right here. Even though it looks fine, I kind of want it to like lay like a certain way in the front, so I'm just going to kind of like brush it back like so. So all I'm doing here is creating a widow's peak with my eyebrow razor. Okay, that's looking a lot more natural already. Alright, so the wig is all straight and flattened, and as y'all can see, glueless AF, okay? So right here I'm just adding makeup to define my part and to make it look more clear, where it might look a little white or chalky on some parts, and this is how the hair turned out, y'all. Yeah, I'm trying to see if I want to add baby hairs. Like, I don't know if I want to add them or just leave the wig like this. Like, I don't usually do this look with no baby hairs, so like I'm really conflicted right now. I don't know what to do, because I really don't know if I like this or not. Like, I really have mixed feelings about this right now. So as y'all can see, I decided not to add baby hairs. I really just wanted a very clean, sleek, bust down middle part look today, and I think that's what it gave. And I did not use any glue, y'all. The wig is not glued down at all. No lace glue, no nothing. It's glueless, 100% glueless. So, and I just want to show y'all how I do it. The quality of their wigs just always supersede my expectations, and the quality is just always amazing. The hair is thick, soft. So this is the 10x6 straight glueless wear and go wig from ASHIMARY. The links will be down low in my description box, so make sure y'all shop this unit. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Love y'all so, so much. Bye. If you don't want me, babe.